Juicing provides instant nutrition. Because the pulp's removed, it just leaves all that wonderful juice that's full of enzymes and vital nutrients that goes straight to your bloodstream because your body doesn't have to work to break it down. And this juice we call the Energizer. So it's 1 crown of broccoli, 1 bunch of green grapes, two handfuls of spinach, and 2 large collard green leaves. If you find your green juice a little too strong, you can also add some natural mineral water. Juicing, get into the natural source of instant nutrition.